Sagot namin ang araw-araw na fun, learnings at enjoyment ng mga kids. Tiny Kitchen.
Ano kaya menu natin for today?
Kids HQ.
Secret place for fun, learning, and surprising adventures.
Kids Church.
It's from who? It's from God.
Usapan Kids. Oyayi.
Isip-isip, bago'y click!
Flying House.
Kinuwento ito ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disciples isang araw.
Superbook Classic.
Dininig ng Diyos ang dasal.
Exciting talaga ang araw-araw na experience ng mga kids. Kaya palaging tumutok sa mga programa ng Light TV.
Ngayong hapon sa Light TV. Dito lang yan sa Light TV. Up next, Superbook Classic on Light TV.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
When I opened the book, you know, I didn't know what I was gonna find. I saw the flashing light just a coming out. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Then I was flying, I was flying. Oh, Superbook, I was afraid to look. Superbook, oh, Superbook. You know I wanna go back again. I wanna go back with all my friends. You know it's not a fantasy. Superbook's so real to me.
Ang ating kasaysayan ngayon, ang totoong propeta. Oras na naman upang dalawin natin ang isang bahay sa tabi ng panulukang daan kung saan si Christopher Piper ay pauwi na, ngunit ang